Hey Mikey, do I have a house for you? We're here at 10565 Via Modena in the foothills guard gated community in Southern Highlands, master plan community. And let me tell you something, this community is absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna feel like you're in Connecticut, not Vegas. But let's get to the house. Just under 3,500 square feet. We're on over a quarter acre, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, plus a beautiful den, open floor plan, completely remodeled to the nines. But first, you gotta check out this kitchen. Did I tell you or did I tell you? This kitchen, completely custom. Custom cabinets, brand new appliances. We've got the top of the line Z-line stove and double oven, 6 burners with the griddle. You've got the pot filler. All of this was just put in too. Absolutely gorgeous. French-inspired European chic hood. You've got the farm-style sink with the gooseneck faucet. Killer custom cabinets. You've got a built-in panel-ready fridge and freezer. Absolutely gigantic island. And what's great is they put in all durable surfaces. This home was meant to be used, enjoyed, and not have to worry about all the maintenance. This is a honed porcelain material. It's actually more expensive to fabricate this material than it is natural marble. But it's so much more durable. You don't have to seal it, you don't have to bother with it. It's fantastic and much more usable and user-friendly than a natural stone. Plus we've got the quartz countertops. We're bringing back the marble over here. It is just truly a beautiful kitchen. I can't wait for your first party. So we're here in the primary bathroom. What's great about this home, another feature, downstairs primary bedroom and bathroom, which is away from everything else. You don't have to worry about the stairs, but you have this magnificent room. So this bathroom boasts double sinks, makeup table, an amazing soaking tub. You've got this gorgeous shower with the seamless glass walls, all brand new fixtures. And what I love about it is with this glass lets in all the natural light that's from the different windows around you. It's truly magnificent. I can't wait to show it to you. We're in the backyard here, and remember, we're on just over a quarter of an acre. So you've got plenty of space back here. You've got your pool, spa with the waterfall coming into the pool, this gigantic covered patio. There is a ton of space out here for you to enjoy, relax, put a table, eat dinner, and just truly entertain. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Let's take a walk in through these brand new stacking glass doors. I want to thank you all so much for coming to visit me. 10565 Via Modena. We've got this truly open floor concept. Everything is remodeled top to bottom. You are absolutely going to love this house. I can't wait to show it to you.